Today I'm going to show you a really easy fruit and veggie cleaner. We spend so much money on good, amazing, clean produce only to let it waste away in the fridge. So do you want to learn today how easy it is to preserve your produce longer? It's actually going to help save you money. And of course, I love having less toxins in our fruit and veggies, and they taste better. If you're ready to hop in, go to roxysaran.com. I'd love to help you right there. Be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification and also the like. Okay, well, lemon essential oil helps remove pesticides, wax, or dirt, and even sweat off of our fruit. I love lemon essential oil from doTERRA. It's bright and crisp, and it highlights the taste of your produce. Go to roxysaran.com if you're ready to purchase doTERRA's lemon oil, roxysaran.com. I'd love to help you right there. Okay, the next thing that I love to use while I'm cleaning my fruits and veggies or my produce is the On Guard Concentrate Cleaner. 2 teaspoons of the On Guard Concentrate Cleaner or 5 drops of lemon in a sink full of water. You can rinse and dry all of your fruit and veggies after you've soaked them in there for 5 or 10 minutes. You'll actually see the residue come and float to the top of that water. It is so gross. Okay, go to roxysaran.com if you are ready to purchase your lemon essential oil or the On Guard Concentrate Cleaner. You can purchase that right at roxysaran.com. Okay, I love to soak my berries in a few drops of lime. So right before eating them, I'll put a cup of, or whatever my portion size is, of the berries and soak it with water and just a few drops of lime in there. I'll let it sit just for a couple minutes, and literally you'll see the yucky residue float to the top of that water. You rinse them off and they're good to go. Now, even the organic ones have some type of residue on them. You'll see it in the water. I love the way my berries taste after that. They have a little tangy taste to them. Even when you're serving it to guests or to friends, they're not going to know quite what is it, but their berries are going to taste amazing. Just dry them off and then you're ready to go. I'm so glad that you have joined me today. Be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification and also the like so you can find out about future content on this channel. And also, if you're ready to hop in, go to roxysaran.com. I would be honored to help you right there. I hope you have a great day. I'll see you in the next video. I'll be showing you how easy it is to work with me.